This is Seth David for schoolofbookkeeping.com, bringing to you another special screencast. This time we're talking about MS Excel and the case of fixing the case. Do you ever get one of these? I get these and it drives me crazy. What am I talking about? You get a file like this in Excel where everything's in all caps. Or worse yet, it's like a children's coloring book because you got some letters that are caps and some letters that are lowercase. Drives me crazy. Some people could care less, but other people, like me, drives me crazy. And for years, I've struggled with how to fix this. What do I do? And it's funny, when I found the solution I'm about to show you, I called Eric, my partner in crime here at schoolofbookkeeping.com, and I asked him if he knew about this formula that I'm about to show you that can fix this. And he started saying, well, no, I'd take it and put it into Word and use formatting. And I'm like, no. There's a much easier way, right? Because we could do that. And there's certain font styles that you could choose that would that would go the other way, that would force lowercase to all caps. So how do I do this? How do I fix this? There's actually a series of formulas that'll fix this. So let me just keep this simple here, and I'm going to get rid of some of these other. I've got some sample data that came out of the actual QuickBooks Online sample file. So let's say I want to fix this. There's a number of ways to do it, actually, and there's a number of things that I want to show you here that are really cool. So the first thing I would do is we could take these guys, right? Take the headers, and we want to copy them over here. And then what I can do is, if I just want to fix it no matter what and make everything in its proper case format, and I'm giving you a hint there, then what I can do is I can say equals proper, if I spell it right, it works better, open parentheses, and I'll point to this guy right here, A2, close parentheses. See what it does? So it properly cases things. So not 100% perfect, didn't quite know how to handle the S and the apostrophe S there, so there may be a little cleanup to do. And now I can actually just copy that down, right, and it fixes all of them. Again, you'll want to double check. Obviously the apostrophe S's don't work. But you know how you can fix that very easily? Let's highlight the whole range. The first thing we have to do is, because these are formula based, we have to fix that. So first I copy the whole range, Control C. And then I should not use keyboard shortcuts when I'm recording a video. Paste special. Values. So we're going to paste the values that are resulting from the formula that's here onto themselves. So now I've got the whole thing in proper case format. That's not formula based, because if I hadn't done that and I deleted this, these formulas would all crash. All right, so let's get rid of that now that I've got this. And a quick way to fix my apostrophe S's, highlight the range, Control F as in find. Apostrophe with a capital S is what we're looking for. Click over on replace. We want that replaced with an apostrophe and a lowercase s, and then replace all. Found 7 replacements, close. So that's a quick way. In less than 30 seconds, if I wasn't going slowly and explaining it, I'd be done with that. Let's say now that I want to get this back into uppercase. There is another formula, equals upper. Open parentheses, highlight, actually the first one, don't highlight the whole range. Boom, and it will bring everything to completely uppercase. Let's say for some reason I want it all lowercase. Lower. Now everything is lowercase. So we have upper, lower, and then we have proper. Right? So proper just puts it in its proper format. It doesn't get the apostrophe S thing. But as I'm looking here, everything else looks like it came in very clean. And the quick find and replace took care of the apostrophe S's. So proper will put it in its proper upper and lowercase formatting, with each word starting with a capital letter. So I guess it looks at the S after the apostrophe as the first letter in a new word. So, how did I find this? How did I discover this? Well, when I click on the function option here in Excel, I take that back. I didn't do it like that. On a blank cell, when I click on the function option, it gives me the sort of function search dialog. I simply typed case and I clicked go. And I saw proper, and it didn't occur to me what that is, so I had to actually read it. Converts a text string to proper case, the first letter in each word in uppercase and all other letters to lowercase. Then I also noticed as I'm looking down lower, and sure enough, and then I said, well, then there's got to be an upper, and I scrolled down, and there it is. So there's of course other stuff that I would encourage you to explore and learn, because that's how I learn all this stuff. As I think of a problem that I want to solve, and I think there's got to be a way to do this. What would I search for? I'm trying to fix the case, right? Upper and lower case. So I searched for case, and I got my answer. This is how we do it. This is how we roll at schoolofbookkeeping.com. And if you're watching this and you like this stuff, then you definitely want to get into schoolofbookkeeping.com and check out the standalone course I just did on bookkeepers and planning your practice, because I did a ton of Excel stuff, way better than this. All you got to do is sign up and you have access to everything. So visit us at schoolofbookkeeping.com today and sign up and go check out that course, because we're going to be rolling out a ton more great Excel content very soon, including our full feature course on mastering Excel for bookkeepers. As always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the web.